Hello. Today I'm going to present to you some materials that will be needed in a project that I'm working on. So the name of the project is Smart Plant Watering System, or you can call it Automated Plant Watering System. So it is an automated plant watering system that senses the soil's moisture levels and then waters the plant when the soil is dry. So I can also implement the system so it can alert the user when the water level is low. So without further ado, this video is only to present to you the materials that will be used for this project, and maybe I will present to you in the future the progress of this project. So these are the things that I have. So the USB-C cable to connect to the power, to the microcontroller, the water tubing to transfer the water from the water container to the plant. Okay, I have my jumper wires for circuit connections, motherboard for the circuit connections, the power connection, the LCD display, the water pump 5 volts, and and this is the microcontroller Arduino Uno, and this is the relay module, right? The relay module to control the water pump, the soil moisture sensor, okay, and the water container. So these are all the materials that I have at hand. So at this point, I will say I'll let you know in the future the progress of this project. Okay, it's a small project, so it shouldn't take long. So also there's included here, there will be programming to be done to program the system to function properly. So I'll be making some videos if time permits me. And that will be all for today. Please share and like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.